In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook password. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your browser or your device and head over to your account. Once you're signed into your Facebook account, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll be able to find settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy and go ahead and click on settings. And this will redirect you to the settings page. Now on the settings page, go ahead and click on account center, which you'll find at the left corner of your screen. Click on see more in account center and you'll be able to get redirected to the account center. Now click on password and security. And in here, you'll be able to find change password button. Select your Facebook account in this account list to change your password on Facebook. Now in here, you'll need to enter your current password along with the new password that you want to use for your Facebook account. So as you can see in here, Facebook has a strong password suggestion that you can use for your account. You'll need to retype that password. You can check this logout of other devices or not depending on your preference and click on the change password to continue changing your Facebook password. Now you'll need to open your email to enter the code sent to you by Facebook. Copy the security code sent to you by Facebook on your Gmail and paste it in this area and click on continue to continue changing your Facebook password. And you have now successfully changed your Facebook password. And that's how you can simply change your Facebook password. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.